Hi YouTube, today I'm going to show you some new electrical tools I got. Let's get to it. Okie dokie. So, what I've got here is both from Klein tools. This goes with this. In fact, I think you might be able to buy these as a kit where it comes with all of it. I'm not sure. Don't remember. However, what we've got is the Klein Tools digital circuit breaker finder and the circuit breaker kit. It's just some accessories to help you use this. So, the breaker finder itself is E1310, and the kit is 69411. And I'll open these up, go over them real quick, and then we'll show you how to use it. Okay, so first off, we'll start with the circuit breaker finder again. As you can see, right here, there's a transmitter and a receiver. And the transmitter stores nicely on the receiver, like so. Kind of handy. So, if you have other outlet testers, this is similar to those outlet testers. It's a little dark here, I apologize. But, your transmitter checks the normal stuff: open grounds, neutrals, hots. Your hot and ground reversed, your hot neutral reversed, hot on neutral with hot open, GFCI testing in progress, and correct wiring. And you can also press to check GFCI. So it's like your normal outlet tester. However, this also sends out a frequency, I believe is how it works, and your receiver picks up on that as you go scan the breakers. You pass down the whole breaker box once to learn it. Then the second time you go down it, it'll find your breaker. That's what the instructions say. Now, you can use it like that, or you can buy the kit to go with it. And it comes with an adapter to screw into a light bulb socket with a 2-prong. You have a 2-prong to 3-prong adapter to test your 2-prong outlets or to convert over to your light bulb. And then you have, it's like a little extension cord with alligator clips and an outlet, so you can plug your transmitter into any of these combination of items to check your circuits when you can't just plug in a typical 3-prong. So, let's go test it out. I've got a GFCI in the bathroom that I got to find on a circuit breaker. And this house is wired a bit stupid. So, I'm not going to bother flipping a bunch of breakers. We'll just go find it with this thing. Okay, so here we are in the bathroom. Here's my GFCI in question. Now, it is upside down to use this and see it easily. However, I just tested it. The wiring is correct, and the GFCI does work. So, we'll plug it in. As you can see, the 2-watt lights mean that the wiring is correct. And we'll push the button underneath, and you'll see the GFCI pop as it's supposed to. And you saw the red light come on, signifying that the GFCI test was in progress. And it popped as it should be, no more power. Then we can plug it in, reset it, and good to go. Plug it in. Let's go downstairs to the breaker box and see if we can find it. Alright, so this is our breaker box. Not labeled correctly whatsoever. Except I think that is the AC. Anyway, we got our receiver here. Turn it on. And we'll go down our breakers, up the other side. As you can see, I'm saying it's that top breaker. So, shut that off. Shut this off. Let's go upstairs and see. Thankfully, our ceiling vent fan is on a different circuit. We have this light to work with. But as you can see, all the lights are out on the plug and our tester. So, and that light's dead. So we found our circuit. I'll do what I have to do. But there you go. Here is the slamp it back together for you. Klein Tools digital circuit breaker finder and kit, not pictured currently. But yeah, I like it so far. We'll see how it performs. So, as I end all my videos, stay crazy and have a good one, people.